Alright guys, welcome back to the vlog. You guys can already tell by the title of this video, you already know what's going on. This is gonna take a minute because, you know, it's a 300. But I'll show you guys right now. So these are already on it. Pretty gay, but problem is this piece right here. What is this, the resonator? Yeah, resonator, and then the rest of this, turns out this whole thing is already kind of straight pipe. There's down pipes, there's a test pipe. You know, we're right here again at Alex Mufflers. The guy's good, man, so I recommend you guys come here if you're from the AV. But yeah, let you guys see how it goes, and then you guys already know how it sounds, so it's pretty gay, so run into a situation. Yep. The joker got stuck in the exhaust. Go ahead. But some meaty tires, so that way I can smoke Corvettes. AKA FreshUpgrade. It's got it off. Turns out it's actually not really this. I mean, this pipe is small, but it's actually this big old thing that is stopping it. This is what it's looking like right here. A little bit loose because the previous owner, or his homie, didn't put the hangers on, so what the fuck. And right here there's an exhaust leak, so we're gonna have to get a gasket for it. But yeah, so far so good. Yeah, so check it out. The only reason why we're probably getting the exhaust done and why you guys are probably seeing this video now is because I was gonna go to the DMV, but tell me why the only day I went to the DMV on a Monday, they're closed. Unless it's an April Fool's prank because it's April 1st, so yeah. So that's the only reason why I'm here. I'm chilling outside because I'm fucking tired, I'm hungry, and yeah, that's about it. Keep going.
Yeah, Brandon, you smell it. It's burning a lot of gas.
Is that a bad thing? No, I'm just kidding. What the hell is that, man? Big upgrade though, huh?
I know, right?
It's better than the Honda. Alright guys, so I'm here with my cousin. We're over here at CP Auto Styles. And the only reason why I'm over here is because I needed some locks, but I think I'm wasting more money than I needed to because I might buy some blow-off valves too. But this is just a glimpse of what everything looks like. Might have to cut that. So what we got? Got rims. A little bit of everything, man. Oh yeah, and then they have this banner up here. Nah, I'm kidding. We got FreshUpgrade, man. Right there, man. FreshUpgrade, John, everybody else. We got turbos, blitz blow-off valves, and then we got. All right, guys. So these are the lugs, or the locks I'm gonna be getting. Check it out.
Yeah, so you're thinking about putting like one in the front.
Oh wait, what the hell is that? I mean, what the heck? Oh, wrong side. There you go. Pretty dope. But I don't know if you guys noticed, this is a Type R right here. Alright guys, we got ourselves the locks. And we got everybody copying that card. But where we going, to the shop now?
Yeah, the shop.
Alright, man.
Oh, the gas station.
You need gas?
Yeah,
There's one right here? Oh, do you use that? Alright guys, so that is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry it wasn't too detailed. Honestly, my camera died, so I couldn't really do much after that. But I can tell you guys for the next video, it's going to be some performance done to it, okay? Right now it's just to get it on the road, so hopefully you guys did enjoy that. But be sure to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe if you guys enjoyed it. If you guys need sneak peeks of what's gonna happen to the next video, be sure to follow my Instagram, Texzle. Other than that, see you guys. Peace.
I'm out of touch.